गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का डीएस क्लासेस में। मेरा नाम है दिव्यांश श्रीवास्तव। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं, इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, प्लीज हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन एज वेल एज द बेल आइकन एज वेल। तो टुडेस टॉपिक वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द स्टैटिक राउटिंग। स्टैटिक राउटिंग हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। कौन सा पार्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज स्टैटिक राउटिंग का? स्टैटिक राउटिंग पार्ट 2 अभी हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। पार्ट 1 में हमने क्या किया था? स्टैटिक राउटिंग के पार्ट 1 में हम दोनों ने क्या किया था कि दो दो स्विच लिए थे, दो पीसीस लिए थे और उसको क्या किया था, कनेक्ट किया था कि जैसे एक ये राउटर है, सॉरी, राउटर कनेक्टेड टू राउटर, और ये स्विच से कनेक्ट है, और एक ये पीसी है, स्विच पीसी, स्विच एंड स्विच। लीव दिस। हमने क्या किया था, एक स्मॉल वैन क्रिएट किया था जिसमें हमने क्या किया था, जो ये पीसी है, पीसी 1 जो है वो पीसी 2 से कनेक्टेड था, और इसमें दो पीसी कनेक्टेड थे। पीसी 3 कहते हैं इसे, इसे पीसी 4, पीसी 1, पीसी 2, जितने मर्जी आप उतनी पीसी ऐड कर सकते हैं। स्विच में क्या अराउंड इट हैव 24 पोर्ट्स, ठीक है। ऐसा था स्टैटिक राउटिंग में। तो हमने क्या किया था, दिस पीसी कनेक्टेड टू दिस, क्योंकि ये डिफरेंट नेटवर्क्स में थे दोनों। तो कुछ इस तरीके से हमने क्या किया था, एक स्मॉल वैन परफॉर्म किया था। अब पार्ट 2 में हम करने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे पार्ट 2 में? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, सबसे पहले पार्ट 1 में हमने यूज किए थे, वी यूज 2 राउटर्स, 2 आर एंड 2 स्विच, राइट, एंड 4 पीसीस। हमने ये यूज किया था इन पार्ट 1। अब हम पार्ट 2 में यूज करने वाले हैं। पार्ट 2 में क्या करेंगे? पार्ट 2 में हम यूज करने वाले हैं, सारे के सारे हम 3 राउटर्स यूज करेंगे, 6 पीसीस यूज करेंगे और 3 स्विच यूज करेंगे। कैसे? और हर कोई एक दूसरे से पिंग करेगा। तो जस्ट वेट फॉर अ मिनट, I should erase this, select all, erase, okay, selected the brush, and then suppose what we are doing like this। हम यूज करेंगे सिस्को पैकेट ट्रेसर का। सबसे पहले तो क्या करो, इस बार हम 3 पीसीज लेने वाले हैं, नॉट फॉर द 6, लाइक दिस, एस। सारे के सारे आपस में कनेक्टेड हैं, ठीक है। पीसी 1, पीसी 2, पीसी 3, start labeling that। तो अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं कि सपोज मैंने एक इंटरफेस का नाम दे दिया। इसमें क्या होगा, इंटरफेस एफ ए 0/0 होता है। इंटरफेस नाम चेंज हो सकते हैं, 0/0 होता है, 0/1 होता है, 0/0, एफ ए 0/0। ये सारे के सारे क्या होते हैं, इंटरफेस होते हैं, जो कि हमारे स्विच से और राउटर से कनेक्टेड होते हैं। और जो पीसी का इंटरफेस होता है वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट होता है, ऑटोमेटिकली अप होता है। यहाँ पे सीरियल पोर्ट्स यूज होते हैं, सीरियल 2/0 होता है जनरली। यहाँ पर भी है, C2/0 होता है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि 2/0 यूज हो गया, तो 3/0 and इधर C2/0। these are हमारे, all these are the interface which are we have to make them up, only then the message drops from router 1 to router 2, that is 2, this is 3, this is 1, okay, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. I added switch because I can add number of devices, number of end devices with the switch. That's why, because switch have multiple ports. The router doesn't have the multiple ports, right? And the router which we are using, that is PT router of the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, PT router. So just assign it, and in the practical base, I will show you how to ping from PC1 to router 2, PC1 to PC2, and from to PC3. How to ping? We use the ping command. So let's go to our labs, and I will show you how to configure it and what the software we use. We use CPT, Cisco Packet Tracer. If you want to take the screenshot, take the screenshot, and after this screenshot, we use to proceed it, and we will show you which we use class C IP address, class C IPv4 32-bit address we use to execute this. Okay, that starts for 192.168 around 1.1. I will start like this. If you see 192.168, that is class C. Class A is 10.0.0, and class B is 172.16 something. Okay, these are the IP address. IPv4 is 32-bit IP address. Okay, so let's go to our labs and perform this. If you want to take the screenshot, and let's proceed further. Let's proceed to our Cisco Packet Tracer. This is our Cisco Packet Tracer. We take PD router, we take one switch, and we take one PC. Okay, just connect all these things. Take auto connection from down to up and from down to up. TF0I0, that is the interface. Okay, you created one. Just select, hold this, Control C and Control V. See, another one created, then Control V, another one created. That saves your time. Okay, always make it presentable, guys. Okay, don't be in a rush or in a hurry. Okay, now let's assign the IP addresses. The IP addresses for the FA0 by 0 interface is, those who doesn't watch the part 1, please watch the part 1. Only then you can able to understand what we are doing and how we are doing. Okay, that is, and the first two octets are same. That's why I only write the other two octets, the last two octets, which are different. Okay, 1.1, 1.2, 2.2, 2.2.3, 3.3, 3.2, 4.2, 4.3, and 5.2 and 5.3. Okay, now presented, that is 0 by 0 IP address. That is my PC IP address, which doesn't need an IP address. And then we proceed to, first I will to connect the routers as well. Router is now connected. Okay, you see that red interfaces, these are in a down state, means the interface is not up, it is in down state. The green one, it is automatically up when you start connecting it. Okay, now we select 2.3, that is 2.3 for this interface, 2.2 for this. That is your choice. You can 3.2 and 3.3. Here we have around 4.2, that is here, and 4.3 here, 5.2, that is 0 by 0 here, and 5.3, that is here. First assign the IP address to the PCs. Okay, so just enter into the PC, go to your desktop, select the IP config, write 192.168, that is dot not comma 1.2, enter it, and that is the default gateway. Default gateway is this 1.1, 192.168, 1.1. Okay, copy this and we start making changes. Okay, and what is this? That is 5.3. The IP address of this PC is 5.3. 5.3 means 192 starting. Change the last two octets, 5.3, enter it. Okay, so that is a faster way. What is the default gateway? That is 5.2. With this interface, it reaches the router because it doesn't know 2.3. That is 5.2. 5.2. Okay, close this. Now enter to last PC 2. paste it. That is 4.3 or 4.2. 4.3. Enter it. And what is the default gateway? The default gateway is 4.2. This one. Okay, the IP address is assigned. Now we need to enter to our switch to make the interface up. Okay, first we enter in router 0, go to the CLI. We can go with the CLI also, but we can go in a faster way to this. You can select the config tab. Are you able to see FA fast internet 0 by 0? That is this FA 0 by 0. It is not in on state. Just enter IPv4 address. IPv4 is 32-bit IP address. Right, 192.168. What we have given 1.1. Just enter it. The subnet mask is entered and make it on. See, it is green. And what we are using this port is SE2 by 0. The serial port 2 by 0. Select it. Enter it. The IP address 192.168.2.2. Enter it. Make it on. It is still in red phase because from this side, this router, this interface is not up. That's why it is not green. Okay, so don't be in a hurry that why it is not working or why it is not showing green, because it depends on both the ends. Okay, now minimize this. See, it is this one is green. Now we enter to another router. Go to config. First of all, 0 by 0. 0 by 0, our IP address is 5.2. Okay, so just write 192.168.5.2. Enter it, and make it enable. That is, it is green. Now SE2 by 0. Now it will become green. SE2 by 0. 192.168.2.3. Enter it, and make it on. Now see, this is green, right? And we have serial port 3 by 0 also. We have to make this also, and just write 192.168.3.2. Enter it, make it enable. Now the last router 3, router 2, sorry, because router 0 by 1, router 0 by 2. The third router, first we have to fast Ethernet 0 by 0. That is 4.2, 192.168, 4.2. Enter it, make it enable. Now we give 2 by 0, because 2 by 0, 192.168.3.3. Enter it, make it enable. See, it's working. I will show you for a better understanding. This is one area. This is another. Included the router as well. Okay, and this is last. And these are different. Okay, I will make the color something dark for your understanding. These areas are different. Okay, white or okay. So these are different areas, and how we can communicate to each other. So first of all, this area name is 2.0. Okay, I will write it somewhere. 2.0, 4.0, 5.0. That is a network name. 2.0, 4.0, 3.0. Okay, we have four types: 2, 4, 3, and 1.0. These are the networks name. Okay, 1.0, 2.0, 4.0, 5.0, and 3.0. Okay, all these are the representation proper. Now I want to communicate from this machine to my router. We can communicate. Okay, just go to our desktop, just close this, go to our desktop, command prompt, and ping 192.168.1.1. See, it is pinging. That is for the every router. They can ping to their router also, which is in their area, but they cannot ping this this router, which is in another area. Okay, you can try this 2.3. That is another router. I am in the PC 0. I want to ping this router. That is 2.3. It will not work. It will show timeout. Why? Because we didn't configure the static IP route where the packet go after this router 0. We didn't tell our message, or we didn't configure the route. So how to do that? With two routers, I already showed in the static routing part 1. So you can refer to that video. In 3, I will show you how to do that. Okay, just close this. You can check with every PC. It does like that only. Okay, just go to your static route, enter the router, go to the static tab. Now we need to add the routes. Okay, tell me the network, through which network you want to enter. I want to enter to this network 5.0, and this network also 4.3 also. Okay, 4.0, not 4.3. 4.3 is a PC. So first of all, we entered the network. It is 5.0. I have entered it. Now entered subnet mask 255.255.255.0. That is my subnet mask. Now enter the next hop. Next hop means the next router. So who is the next router here? Here the next router is 2.3. One, because from the next router they can enter in the next area or next territory. 2.3. This is our rule. Just add it. Okay, that is first. That my PC can reach here. Now my PC have to reach in this area also, right? So first of all, I have to enter in two networks. First of all, in this network as well as in this network, right? So first of all, we going to enter in network 3, 3.0. So just make changes. We enter in 3.0, subnet mask is same. And say we enter with this router 2.3 because it is connected to the area third also. Entered, right? We enter in 3.0. Now we entered in 4.0. So just entered, make changes dot 4.0. And now the next hop is in 4.0. The next hop to enter from 4.0 network, the next hop is this 3.3 router. So that is the next hop is 3.3. That's it. There were three rules. Now it is done. Close this. Do like this with all the routers, but the router is in mid. We need to only create two rules because it is in the mid and it is connected to both the routers, right? So first of all, we need to take 192.168, 68, one, sorry, 192.168 1.0. I want to enter. Always make the dots 255.255.255.0, and the next hop is 192.168 2.2. That is first two. 2.2, from this it will enter in the area 1 territory. Just add this first. Now I want to enter to 4.0. So 4.0 I want to enter, and through which I want to enter next hop, the address is 3.3. Just add into it. That's it. Now do with the last router. From the last router, same as we need to create three static rules. Okay. So first of all, I want to enter in area 5.0, 5.0 to 192.168, 5.0. What is the subnet mask? 255.255.255.0, and the next hop is 192.168, 3.2. That is first because 3.2 is this router. It doesn't know 2.3 because that is a different network. Just make it 3.2. We are successfully entered to 5.0. Now I want to enter in 2.0 area also and 1.0 area also. So just first of all we enter in 2.0 area and with what? 3.2 only. Added. Now I want to enter in 1.0. So stream 1.0, and what is the hop? The hop is 2.2. So make it 2.2. That's it. Just close this. Now it will take some time. Okay. You can press this. It will take some time. Now we drop our message from this PC to this PC. Failed. Don't worry, it will take some time and it will start becoming successful. Okay. Don't worry. Because just now we have configured the things. PC0 to router. That is successful. Means I can reach to the router. Now see, it is successful. So that's why it takes some time. If you want to ping, you can ping also. Now check from PC0 to router 3. See, it is successful. I can reach to router 2 also, 0 by 2. That is our third router. Now I want to drop ping from PC0 to this PC 4.3. It is successful or not? Let's see. Failed. Why? Because it will take some time. Okay. First time we are trying to do that. Now successful. See, you can ping also from this PC. I want to reach. I am in PC02. I want to reach this PC 1.2. So I write 192.168 1.2. Just enter it. See, it is pinging. Okay, if you want to see the hop also, trace RT, trace route 192.168 1.2. See, I can see the routes also. Tracing the routes 1.2. That is 4.2, 3.2, 2.2, and 1.2. Okay. First of all, it will interact with 4.2. That is 4.2. First, right? Then it entered to 3.2 router. Okay, that is the second router IP address. Then it interacted with 2.2. That is the third of IP address. And then it interacted to our PC. See, I get the details also with the IP address. How many hops are there? Okay, over maximum of 30 routers I can add it in that part. So that is a concept, guys. Okay, so here is from this PC also we can do that. I want to reach to PC1 192.168.1.2. It is pinging. Okay, now I want to reach to 4.3. It is pinging. And now I want to reach 3.3. That is a router. It is also pinging, right? I want to reach 2.2 router. See, it is also pinging. So our messages is successful. We are able to ping everywhere, including the routers also, including the PCs also, right? From the router you also can ping. Okay, just go to your router, go to the CLI. Inside a CLI, just end and ping We are in router, mid of the router. I can ping this machine, right? 1.2, 192.168, 1.2. See, it is pingable. 2.2, it is pingable. Okay. 4.2, it is pingable. Everything. That means the configuration is done successfully in a correct manner. Okay. And always make it WR building configuration. Always make the save the configuration. Okay. In every router, do these things. So that's it for today, guys. You can take the screenshot. Always save your files. Okay. So this is a static routing part 2. If you want to take the screenshot, take a screenshot and always save your things. Okay. Always save your files. That is the most simplest way. That is a topic of static routing part 2. Okay. That is our topic. So thank you guys. Keep sharing, keep subscribing. Those who are new to my channel, search on our YouTube search bar at the red DS classes 9698. You will get my channel, and please sharing, keep subscribing, keep watching, okay? And keep learning networking. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.